Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to Suonenjoki. And it's a little update for you guys. So for the Logbullet people who are watching these videos. What we have over here. So this is the current assembly location over here in Suonenjoki. I'm actually dreaming to get also that end. So then I would have huge nice area. It would be super nice because at the moment I can have two machines over here. But with that area I could have also like Megamax and Superbullet machines under assembly at the same time. That would make my life easier. So what we have over here. So this is how Logbullets look under assembly. So again, two new machines are building up. And it's like before the covers. So there is Kubota diesel, then pumps and the hoses. So she's actually even more ready than she looks at the moment. And we have huge noise. At the moment in Finland it's cold over here. So that's why we have like all the time like noise over here, because we have actually like over there in the roof those like water and then like blowers. So that makes the noise. Sorry for that, I hope you can survive. But what I have over here, this is actually the location. So even of course my dream is to have like less and less assembly and more like design and customer service. Because when I'm assembling over here, it's harder to have good customer service. Of course I try to have as good as possible. But anyway, this is the welding spot over here. So next what we have over here, so I did just get for the bogies, nice patch for the steel. So over here we have for the original Logbullet bogies, and over here we have for the Superbullet. So I have at the moment two Superbullets in welding. I will first make one and then next one. But anyway, it's like having like the cabin and other stuff for the two machines and also bogies. So then it will be kind of simple to make more. At the moment we are leaving evening, so it's 8:30 at the evening. So it's late. There is two workers in that end. They are in the machining, but this welding end is at the moment empty. I did actually wake up over here in this factory 7 o'clock at morning, and I have been there working over here. Actually what we have over here, again more Logbullet stuff, cylinders. So those are like, in normal Logbullet we have 4 equal cylinders, and then those are for the harvester heads. Next those will go over here to the paint shop. So it's a wet painting over there. So they will paint those over here, and after that the stuff will go over there to Logbullet assembly. I did also get today actually more. So this is how front frame. So those components did arrive today. Let's go to machining, and I have to little worry that I don't like shoot with the video camera the workers over here. And sorry for the noise, but this is like factory is running, and we have also over here running something nice. So let's look what we have. You might see something is rotating over here. That might be for you if you don't yet have a Logbullet component. So at the moment what we have over here is this kind of like this end has already been done, and at the moment it's from that stage with rotating tools and other stuff. They are now making, so these are stop axles for the Logbullet. It looks like this, and over here there is a grease and then like a long hole, and it comes from this side. So this machine makes this. So that one machine makes that everything. They just place it and then these rotating tools and magic happens. We have also over here for the Logbullet center. So a lot of, so it's not just me who is working over here with Logbullet. So there is like welder, people are machining and doing that kind of stuff. So it's, even it feels like it's just like Pekka from Logbullet always alone. But it's not just me, there is like in the subcontractors, there's a lot of people who are working. I couldn't make everything by myself, that would be impossible. But anyway, I can actually show you something more. Actually, I can show you where I sleep over here. This is like, so I wake up at the, I sleep over here in the factory. I live in Helsinki, it's about 4 hours away from here. So I don't have like, when I come over here, I prefer to work for the longer days. That is, it would be kind of strange to come over here. So let's look how it. It looks nasty, but it's good to sleep over here. And I have actually, for one customer, I have bear here. That is my room over here. That is something nice. And then I can actually show something super Finnish for you guys. So of course in the factory, what we have over here, let's have lights up. Electricity at the moment expensive over here, but I can. I sometimes actually. We have sauna over here in the factory with 2 sauna stoves, 2 with electricity. That is something nice. Yeah, so this is like how I'm living over here when I'm building up the machine. So this is real factory. There's people working over here, and like I just come and go. I did come over here with a train, and then I just start up my truck and drive over here, and like now my next plan is to actually I will eat something, then I will watch most likely. I actually like discovery shows. For the most likely today called Divers. So that kind of like brain rot more or less. And then I will, at the morning I will wake up happily, come over here and enjoy from the Logbullet assembly. And I hope you did enjoy the video. Thanks and bye.